Tired of spending hours in the kitchen? These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets are here to handle the hard work for you. From prepping and cooking to cleaning up afterward, each one is designed to make your life easier and your meals better. You can find all the products linked in the description below. Cooking rice doesn't get any easier than this. With one-touch operation, this compact rice cooker perfectly makes fluffy rice every time and automatically switches to keep warm when it's done. The non-stick pot makes cleanup effortless, while the clear glass lid lets you watch as it cooks. It's also great for soups, chili, or jambalaya, making it a handy little multitasker for quick, home-cooked meals anytime. Peeling apples just got effortless. This automatic fruit peeler cores and peels in seconds, saving you time and energy for what really matters, enjoying the fruit. Its sleek, curved design adds a modern touch to your kitchen and comes in stylish color options. Safe to use and built with a stable base, it stays firmly in place while keeping your hands protected. Perfect for apples, pears, peaches, and more. It's easy to clean, quick to use, and makes prep time a breeze. Tired of wiping puddles around your sink? This smart faucet mat keeps your countertop dry and spotless. Designed with a 7-degree slope for quick self-draining, it prevents water from pooling and slipping underneath. The snap lock edges hold it firmly in place, while the flexible silicone fits neatly around most faucets. Plus, it doubles as a mini drying or organizer mat. Simple, sleek, and seriously useful for any kitchen. Ever wish you had an extra set of hands in the kitchen? This baggy rack holder does exactly that. Just clip your freezer or storage bag in place, and it stands upright for easy, hands-free filling. No more spills or awkward balancing acts. The adjustable arms fit different bag sizes, and the non-slip base keeps it steady. When you're done, it folds flat for simple storage, smart, tidy, and incredibly handy. Who knew a trash can could be this clever? This foldable bin hangs right on your cabinet door, making cleanup quick and easy while you cook. When you're done, just collapse it flat to save space. It's made from durable, food-grade materials and even works in your car, bathroom, or office. Lightweight, practical, and easy to install. It's the perfect space-saving solution for everyday messes. Say goodbye to messy counters while you cook. These silicone pot clips hold your spoon right on the edge of your pot. No drips, no clutter. Made from heat-resistant, food-grade silicone, they can handle the hottest soups and sauces. The non-slip grip keeps utensils steady while you stir. With 10 in a pack, you'll have plenty for every pot, pan, or kitchen helper around. Don't let good flavor go to waste. This stainless steel grease container lets you filter, store, and reuse cooking oil with ease. The built-in mesh strainer catches crumbs, keeping your oil clean for the next round of frying. A sturdy handle makes pouring safe and mess-free, and the fitted lid keeps dust out. Durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. It's a kitchen staple you'll use daily. Mornings deserve better coffee, and this French press delivers. Made from thick borosilicate glass and stainless steel, it brews rich, aromatic coffee that stays hot longer. The 4-layer filter system traps grounds for a smooth, grit-free sip every time. It's easy to clean and built tough enough for travel or camping. Just add coffee, pour hot water, press, and enjoy cafe-level flavor wherever you are. Some spots just love to hide dirt, but not from this clever little tool. This 4-in-1 cleaning brush tackles every corner of your bottles, lids, and containers with ease. Each side has a different head for narrow gaps, edges, and hard-to-reach spots. The soft silicone bristles clean gently without scratching. Compact, portable, and easy to store. You'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it. Cooking just got a whole lot easier. These collapsible colanders handle everything from rinsing fruit to draining pasta, then fold flat to save space. Each one pops open in seconds and fits right over your sink for easy, mess-free draining. The non-slip base keeps it steady, even with hot water. When you're done, just rinse, collapse, and tuck it away. Simple, smart, and kitchen-friendly. Opened a bottle, but don't want to waste a drop. This wine vacuum pump keeps your favorite reds and whites tasting fresh for days. Just insert a stopper, pump out the air, and seal in the flavor. It prevents oxidation, so every glass pours like the first. Made from durable materials and easy to clean, it's a must-have for any wine night, or the perfect gift for someone who loves one. Summer just got a whole lot cooler. This clever ice cube bottle lets you make and store ice all in one sleek container. Just fill it with water, freeze it flat, and press the lid to release perfectly shaped cubes in seconds. The silicone body makes it easy to pop them out, and the built-in strap keeps everything secure. Use it for cocktails, tea, or iced coffee anytime you need a chill boost. Say goodbye to messy fruit prep. This handy fruit slicer cup makes cutting strawberries, bananas, grapes, or even boiled eggs fast and fun. Just drop it in, press down, and you've got perfect slices in seconds. No knife, no cutting board, no fuss. The stainless steel blades stay safely inside, so your hands never touch the edges. Lightweight, compact, and easy to clean. It's a true kitchen shortcut. Bring the barbecue indoors, no smoke, no mess. This 2-in-1 electric grill lets you sear meats, melt cheese, and grill veggies all on one surface. The 1,500 watt power heats up fast, while the adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. Non-stick plates pop out for quick cleanup, and the mini cheese pans add a fun twist to any meal. Rain or shine, grilling's always on the menu. Ice cream nights just got an upgrade. This smart ice cream and soft serve maker lets you swirl, scoop, or mix up your favorite frozen treats in minutes. With 13 preset programs, you can make everything from creamy gelato to fruity sorbet or protein-packed desserts. Add your own toppings and mix-ins for endless combos. It's easy to use, simple to clean, and perfect for all ages, kids included. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers full of measuring spoons. This adjustable measuring spoon lets you slide to the exact amount you need, no swapping or guessing. It measures both grams and milliliters, making it perfect for liquids, powders, or spices. Just push, scoop, and pour with one hand. Made from safe, BPA-free materials, it's compact, easy to clean, and surprisingly addictive to use. Dull knives slowing you down? This electric knife sharpener brings your blades back to life in seconds. With 3 sharpening stages and a built-in guide rail, it keeps every edge perfectly aligned for smooth, precise cuts. The durable grinding wheel handles everything from kitchen knives to scissors and even screwdrivers. Fast, safe, and compact, it's the ultimate fix for tired blades and busy kitchens. Here's a fun way to level up your next barbecue. This hot dog roller keeps your sausages turning smoothly for perfectly even grilling every time. Just place up to 5 dogs, give it a roll, and watch them cook to juicy perfection. No burnt sides, no cold spots. The long wooden handle keeps your hands safe from the heat. Easy to use, easy to clean, and built for every cookout. Tired of burning your fingers on hot dishes? These stainless steel gripper clips make it easy to lift bowls, plates, or trays straight from the oven, steamer, or microwave. No waiting for them to cool. The anti-slip silicone tips hold dishes securely, while the ergonomic handle gives you a firm, safe grip. Lightweight yet sturdy, they handle heavy plates without bending. Simple, practical and a total kitchen lifesaver. Meet the peeler that does it all. This 3-in-1 kitchen tool lets you switch between blades with a simple button. Smooth for fruits, serrated for soft skins, and julienne for veggie strips. The built-in eye remover makes prepping potatoes effortless. Its non-slip handle gives you total control while peeling. Compact, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. It's the only peeler you'll ever need. Love making sweet treats but hate the mess? This automatic sweet ball maker shapes perfect dough balls in seconds. No sticky hands, no hassle. Just pour in your batter, press start, and watch it form even, round bites every time. Great for Mat, meatballs, or any bite-sized creation. It's fast, efficient, and fun to use. With a digital counter and easy clean design, it turns kitchen prep into pure satisfaction. Turn your kitchen into an Italian restaurant in minutes. This 3-in-1 pasta maker rolls, cuts, and fills dough so you can create perfect lasagna sheets, fettuccine, or fresh ravioli with ease. Choose from 8 thickness settings and watch smooth pasta sheets glide out effortlessly. Just add your favorite filling, turn the handle, and out come perfectly sealed ravioli ready to cook. Simple to clean and built for fun family cooking, it makes homemade pasta easy, fast, and delicious every time. Snack time just got simpler. This smart grape cutter lets you slice grapes or cherry tomatoes into perfect quarters in seconds. The serrated stainless blades glide easily through the skin without squishing the fruit. A soft, non-slip plunger keeps your hands comfy, even during long prep sessions. It even has a snap-on cover for safe storage and quick use on the go. Cutting avocados just got a whole lot easier. This clever 3-in-1 tool does it all. Split, pit, and slice in one smooth motion. The stainless steel blade twists out the seed in seconds, while the fan blade scoops the fruit into perfect slices. Its non-slip grip keeps your hands steady, even with slippery avocados. Simple, safe, and fast. You'll never wrestle with a knife again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.